Yeah, so as a high school junior, I was in a little engineering class at Avon High School, and Avon High has an internship program with local companies, and at the time EBAD was involved in that. And our high school internship coordinator came in and said that there was a position available, and I applied. So, my junior to senior summer, I was coming in working part-time, and then at the end of that, they asked if I wanted to stay through the fall. While I was at UConn, my college summers, I would come back in and intern, and I never really seriously looked at applying anywhere else because the tasks I was given as an intern here were really value add. And not only was I learning a ton, it really felt like I was, contributing to the company. I learned a ton from my internship, not only technically, but also about where I wanted to take my career. So I knew I was interested in engineering, but I didn't know, what discipline, and I found I really enjoyed, working in the lab with electrical equipment and designing electronics, and that's kind of where I've taken my career and what I decided to major in college, and I kind of figured that out here. I also discovered that I really enjoy working towards a goal, with a customer and with, internal team, which is why I applied for a development engineering position here, and that's what I'm get to do every day. So I kind of knew after my internship that I would end up at EBAD. I really didn't look too closely anywhere else just because the culture here is so enjoyable. Like, coming into work is, I look forward to it, and the work I do as an individual contributor is still really impactful. And I feel like some places, may lose some of that, but I feel like, when I come into work, it is making an impact. So as an intern here, I was doing anything from design to test work to project management. So, working closely with our project team to meet customer requirements and burn down risk, and even up to qualifying a product, with technicians, coordinating tests and environments, getting to, put our products on a shock and vibe table and, see how they respond. And then, so on the design side, I was getting to write scripts and work intimately with, our designers to kind of come to solutions that would meet customer requirements, and I found it really enjoyable. So my advice to current interns would be, don't be afraid to ask questions, and if you see something really interesting here at EBAD, go ask. Ask either the engineer or your mentor or manager if you can get involved with that or something similar, because that's kind of why you're here, right? Is to figure out what you want to go do. So if something's interesting to you, don't just watch it from afar.